Here comes the hot stuff again Friday. It looks like it may be a couple degrees lower than today, but not really that much different when you factor in the humidity. In fact, we'll show you there's a heat advisory for tomorrow, but hot weather tomorrow. Temperatures still could exceed 100. Even in parts of the lower valley, could at least be in the upper 90s, but the air is really getting more humid this evening and tonight compared to what it was earlier today, so it will feel just about as sticky. Could see some showers by the weekend. I think especially by Sunday going into Monday and Tuesday, the rain chances come up and help drop temperatures, which is some good news, I think most people would say. Right now, after a very hot day, we're in the 80s valley-wide. We'll show you the record highs coming up next half hour, but look at the temperature still at 84 in Weslaco, still 93 in Rio Grande City, but should drop everywhere into the low 80s late tonight. It still feels like it's in the 90s. The humidity is, like I said, really coming up, so it still feels like 97 in McAllen when you factor in the heat index. That's the combination of the heat and humidity, what it feels like standing in the shade. So tomorrow is going to be a day where the humidity will really come in too. If you look at dew points now, the humidity is coming back in from the southeast. The dew points are in the upper 70s in spots, 78 in Harlingen, 78 in Brownsville. And with that in mind, a heat advisory tomorrow. There's the map for you. From 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Friday, once temperatures are up around 100 and the humidity is still high, the heat index, how hot it feels, will be up in about that 110 to 117 range. So heat index in effect for Friday. It may actually feel a little hotter in some areas than today, even though the actual air temperature may be a couple degrees lower. But you know, it's going to be a very hot day, so you want to stay cool and hydrated. Tomorrow's highs, you see the air temperatures range from about the low 90s at the coast and mostly around 100 or higher in the mid and upper valley. As hot as about 105 in Rio Grande City, 103 in McAllen. And Future Track does show mainly clear skies tonight. You might see a couple clouds toward morning, but I think tomorrow's a day with a lot of sunshine again, maybe little puffy clouds here and there, but bright sunny day and a very hot day once again. And then things finally begin to change. We'll show you the broader view coming up next half hour on Future Track, but moisture increases on Saturday, enough where we get at least some extra cloud cover, kind of partly to mostly cloudy. You might get a couple small showers around Saturday. I don't think we're looking at big rain, maybe a few areas getting a quarter or a half an inch, but most areas getting very little or maybe no rain. But the extra cloud cover helps to drop temperatures, keeping it mainly in the 90s on Saturday. Sunday, if the moisture can make it in here, some of the models coming out right now kind of show more moisture for Sunday. So this model too, you see it has more scattered showers around. You might get a few brief downpours in there, but with the extra cloud cover and showers, temperatures could maybe only top off in about the low 90s or so on Sunday, you know, about 10 or 15 degrees cooler than it was today. And check out what we have for rainfall. This is Future Track, and it shows some areas getting not much rain on Saturday, but by Sunday you start to see more blue in here, indicating maybe some areas getting a good half an inch or more of rain. It even shows a few heavier bursts of rain in the upper valley. So good news is on the way for chances for rain and for maybe your weekend. If you don't want it so hot, you might have to dodge a few showers, but highs near 96 on Saturday, 94 on Sunday. I tell you, if we get a few more clouds, it may stay a little cooler than that, and even by early next week, it does look cooler. So highs hottest tomorrow, about 101 for a high on Friday. A lot of sunshine around. Saturday, temperatures drop off a little bit, highs in the 90s with maybe about a 20% chance for a shower. By Sunday, those rain chances come up a little bit more. Highs in the low to maybe mid-90s, but I think if we get some extra clouds Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, it will really keep temperatures down closer to 90 instead of 100. You know, 90 degrees may never feel so good after this hot stretch of weather.
Yeah, I mean, some rain after some, sun-baked days. That sounds nice.
And not just one chance for rain, but several chances for rain coming.
Okay, sounds good, Alan.
Yeah.